working a poster in PowerPoint, the very first thing you should do is make sure to change your slide size to be the exact dimensions you need. You do this by going to the Design tab, going over to Slide Size, and then select Custom Slide Size. Here, you can select different sizes, but likely you'll want just Custom at the bottom. Then you can enter the exact width and height of your slide. Generally, most posters are 48 inches wide and 36 inches high. Click OK, and it will ask whether you want to maximize the fit or ensure the fit of your content. This is why it's really important to do this the very first thing before you have any content, because otherwise it'll try to move everything around in order to maximize or ensure fit, and you'll likely have to spend a lot of time resizing things later. Since there's no content currently on this slide, I'm just going to click whatever. Let's do maximize. You can see now, for example, that things have changed size. The heading is now 259.2 points as opposed to something like 60. Once your slide is the appropriate size, then you can start adding and deleting content as you need in order to get all of your information on your slide. But again, the most important thing at the outset is to get that slide size right by going to Design, Slide Size, Custom Slide Size.